This video shows easiest way to download YouTube videos. Go to YouTube from your web browser. Search for the video that you want to download. Play the video from the search result list. Skip the ad. Pause the video and go to the address bar. Edit the address, remove the HTTPS and www part from the link and type SS and hit enter. It will take you to the Save from .NET website. From here you can download the video in many formats. I am choosing 720p, which is highest available option. Close the redirects as they are of no use. Your video will start downloading. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it is useful.